If you have used everything in the world to stop the hair fall, but still your hair fall does not stop, even after using dangerous medicines like minoxidil, which have a number of side effects, you have to use this herb. This herb does not have any side effects. In fact, it has some side benefits. So let's see how to prepare this wonderful herbal hair conditioner which will stop your hair fall. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma, and before this we have made a lot of hair care products, and the good thing about our hair care products is that they are dispensed in glass bottles, because as you know, plastic bottles have BPA and other endocrine disruptors. Even the BPA free bottles, they leach the endocrine disruptors. So we have made sure that all of our hair products are dispensed in glass bottles. So far we have had wonderful results with our hair shampoo as well as hair oil. And hair oil is so good that it is a treatment for male pattern baldness also. We have had wonderful reviews with our customers who have used it, and they have seen that hair started growing even in places where doctors told them hair would never grow over here. This is genetic and this is gonna be this way unless you do a hair transplant. Anyway, this conditioner that I'm gonna tell you about is not gonna grow hair in places where there was no hair before. But if you have hair, but it is so weak that it keeps on falling, you suffer from severe hair loss, and like after you shower you see like a bunch of hair in your hands, this hair conditioner will stop that.
If you want to learn about amazing natural supplements and wonderful, tasty, delicious food recipes that will keep you away from the pills and injections and needles of any doctor, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Because frankly, you won't find this information anywhere else on the internet. So this herb is rosemary. Rosemary is very easy to grow. You can grow it in ground, you can grow it in pots, and if you don't have pots, you can even grow it in water on your windowsill in your bedroom. So you can see I bought this large rosemary plant for rupees 800 from the nursery, and from this large plant I cut up these cuttings and I planted these like small cuttings also. They'll also grow into a rosemary plant. Now to make my rosemary conditioner, all I need is a few branches of this rosemary. So I will measure it. This is my glass bottle, it is 250 ml, and I will measure the branches according to this bottle. This is not necessary. You can even cut up into small pieces and use it. You can also use like dried up powder or dried up leaves, but as I always say, once you dry up a plant, you basically lose all the water soluble vitamins. So it is best to use fresh branches or fresh leaves. And in fact, this thing that I'm gonna make is not only a good hair conditioner, it is also very good for reducing blood sugar levels for everyone who is diabetic. Also, if you want to put it, you can add it to your tea, and it is very good for anxiety, because rosemary is a wonderful herb. It has many benefits which are all scientifically proven. And you must have seen people washing their hair with rosemary water. They basically take these rosemary twigs and they boil them in the water. But the thing is, when you wash your hair, it only remains for like a minute or two on your hair. But in this case, when you make a conditioner, we will apply it on our hair after shampoo and we will leave it as a leave-in conditioner. So it remains in contact with scalp for a longer time. Anyway, this is a good time to show you all my other plants. This is the aloe vera that I use to make my shampoo with, because as I told you, our shampoo is made with 100% natural ingredients that will not harm your hair. Anyway, all these other plants are like English ivy, aloe vera, all these are very easy plants. You can just plant them and forget about them. They practically grow themselves. We don't have to do anything special for them. Anyway, for our rosemary twigs, I will add these twigs to my glass container. And basically this is a glass container which is 250 ml, and I will add my apple cider vinegar. This apple cider vinegar also I have made at home, and I have taught how to make apple cider vinegar at home also. Do subscribe to our channel and watch the video. Anyway, these things, these natural things that are homemade, are only as good as your ingredients. So if you add acetic acid, that is the white vinegar that is usually sold as vinegar, which is not vinegar at all, you will not get good results. Once you add these pure ingredients which are homemade and 100% pure, then you'll get good results. So I have left my rosemary twigs in the vinegar for about a week, and these rosemary twigs will remain sitting in this vinegar till the time I want to spray it on my hair. And when I want to spray it in my hair, I will shift it to this spray bottle. You can also add some fragrance if you want, but I'm going to Hajj, so I'm not adding any fragrance to my conditioner. You can add any essential oil that you like, any fragrance that you like. So whenever you spray it on your hair will smell beautiful also. If you have a glass spray bottle, that would be wonderful. Otherwise, this is also good.
If you want, you can use this small spray bottle. It is very cheap and you can use it. Basically, your conditioner will be in the glass bottle, and when you want to use it, you can put it in this spray bottle. But I'm gonna go to Hajj, so I need a lot of conditioner and I won't have time to change bottles every now and then, every time I take a shower. So I have put it in this plastic bottle so that it is easy to carry. Plus, I don't have to worry that it will break or something. So you can see I have put my herbs and my vinegar in this bottle, and I'll be using this bottle on my Hajj journey.
And to use this leave-in hair conditioner, first you have to wash your hair with our toxin-free shampoo. And you can see this toxin-free shampoo is made with all natural ingredients. It is in a glass bottle, so no chemicals from the plastic and no harmful toxic chemicals in the ingredients also. Anyway, once you have washed your hair, just spray this conditioner in the scalp, that is the roots of the hair as well as the tips of your hair. You don't have to rinse it off or wash it off, because all of this is water soluble. It will never clog the pores of your hair.
In the comment section below, let me know when you made it, how long did it take for you to stop the hair fall? Because it is gonna stop the hair fall, that I can assure you. But how long it takes will vary person to person. So let me know, how long did this magic potion take for you to stop your hair fall? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.